It happens when you take the lens out of the tip for cleaning or other purposes and then return it back upside down. What happens then when you clean the glass, you see that the lock spring was on the bottom and everything just fall down inside the tip. What you need just to take everything back out, to take out the spring, to take out the glass, to assemble it, and to return back in the proper order. So you put the frame, you return back the glass, you lock it with the spring lock, like that, and put with the spring in direction upside. That's it. Now you can clean it as much as you want, nothing will happen.